Hey, this is John from the MKE Outdoor Indoor Exchange, and I want to talk to you about rental. The reason we do rentals is because you don't need to own this stuff. We don't all need to own our own pair of snowshoes. We use them how many times a year? How about we just pay a 28, $32, whatever, for the entire weekend to borrow snowshoes? And so the idea here is I'm providing new stuff this time, and it won't be new next time. And we're putting them in these little backpacks. Got these little backpacks for them. You got some trekking poles, and you got some snowshoes, and it's $32 for 3 days. And the whole idea is to create a circular economy where we use the same thing multiple times and instead of multiple things few times. So tell me what you think about that. And I just wanted to touch base and let you know that we're an outdoor gear exchange. We do new, used outdoor gear, and we do consignment. So we got 600 something consigners. And this is kind of us testing the waters of YouTube and letting you see what happens in the daily life of a small shop. So, uh, purpose driven, and I hope you appreciate the content. Thank you for your time. Bye.